Alright guys, welcome back. Happy holidays. Hope you had a great Christmas. I tried, but it didn't quite work out. So as you remember, on Friday this room was just barely getting started, and me and an apprentice today knocked us out at lunchtime. So I'll show you the second unit that we started here in a second, but I think he said he's only been wiring in rooms for like 2 or 3 days now. I thought he was joking, but I guess not. But anyways, I'm trying to teach him some stuff and letting him make up some switch boxes, because I know I didn't really make up a switch box until I was like 3 years into the program, so getting him started early. But I was gonna say, if you guys want me to go over how to make up switch boxes or plug boxes, I'm not sure how far along or how much stuff you guys know, but if you want me to go over that stuff, I can make videos about that. So instead of just sitting here making videos about what I did every day, which is probably going to get boring because it's going to be wiring in rooms here for the next week or so still. So anyways, these wires over here for the room behind us. And so anyways, this room is done, and I'll show you the second room. Just want to say thanks. I appreciate you guys for coming back every day and checking out the videos. So this room is almost done being wired. There's a little bit left, and then it just needs to be stapled down. I started making up the plugs in this room, and then these haven't been wired at all. All the home runs are done. Just have to run the jumpers between all the plugs, tie them all together. And then for the most part, the kitchen is done, I think. So I have my little cheat sheet here. I just write down, make a checklist of what needs to be done. There needs to be a living room smoke detector box. And then I need to make up the smoke detector in the bedroom, the living room lights, the 3-way switch leg, and then the living room circuit, which was the plugs I just told you about. So anyways, I write all the home runs down over here, and then just try to make a list of all the stuff I know that needs to be done. I can check off that kitchen light now, but anyways, I do all the like switch legs, under counter lights, and all that stuff. But anyways, for the most part, it's done. So that's pretty much it. But if you have any ideas for videos, let me know. If you want more time lapses, let me know. Just give me some feedback here. I feel like I'm boring you guys, but if you like it, then I'll just keep doing it. So just let me know. Hope you guys had a great holiday. I will catch you later. Peace out. I'm gonna run to the bank, pay off my phone bill for the next year for my sister. So catch you in the next one, guys. Peace. Subscribe if you liked it. Subscribe. Okay, this is going terrible. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.